Dear students, we are studying about chapter 18 electronics. Now our topic is PN junction diode. As you read about P-type substance and N-type substance. So now we are making a device with these two substances, P-type and N-type. The name is PN junction diode. It is an electronic device fabricated made by taking N-type substance and placed over a layer of indium P-type. Means N-type substance layer is indium P-type and heated it at 550 degrees centigrade. Indium diffuses in N-type which makes a junction known as PN junction and covered with metallic plates. So that the junction should not be spread over, but it remains fixed. Two leads are connected to each portion for connection, for outside connection. Whole the system is cased with metal or glass. This device or this system is known as PN junction diode. So this one is N-type and P-type layer is spread over N-type. When heated up, P-type diffused in N-type, so it makes a junction. It is PN junction. These are two leads for connection. So this one is the symbol of PN junction. This symbol is used in electrical circuit. So this one triangle piece is P-type and this line is N-type, and these are two leads, and this is metal case or glass case. Now uses of PN junction diode. It is used as a rectifier. Number 2, it is used as a switch. Number 3, it is used in flip-flop circuit. Those bulbs which are used in ceremonies, so that circuit is flip-flop. And in that circuit, PN junction diode is used. In next topic, you will study about how this function takes place. Number 4, it is used in stabilizers to stable the output of DC voltage. Now, bias. What is bias? Power supply or battery. Power supply or battery with PN junction diode is called bias. Means power supply or the battery is called bias in electronic language. Now types of bias. There are two types of bias, forward bias and reverse bias. First we will study about forward bias. When positive terminal of the battery is connected with P-type and negative terminal of the battery with N-type of PN junction diode, this is known as forward bias. Look at the circuit. This is P-type, this one is N-type. This is the junction. Now we have connected the terminal of battery positive with P-type and negative with N-type. How it will work? These negative will attract the positive, so the positive will move in this side, and these positive will attract the negative, and negative will move this side. Means electrons will move in one direction and proton will move in one direction, and the junction will offer no resistance, current will flow. This is called forward bias. Now reverse bias. When positive terminal with N-type and negative terminal of the battery with P-type of PN junction diode, it is known as reverse reverse bias. Now look at the function. This one is negative terminal and this one is positive terminal. Negative terminal will attract the protons. Positive and negative terminal and positive terminal will attract the electrons. So the electron will move towards positive and proton will move towards negative. So the junction of the PN diode will act as a broken circuit, means no current flow. Here it will act as a switch on. If there is a bulb, it will glow. And here this PN junction diode will act as a switch off. So the bulb will not glow because current is not flowing. It is high resistance. Junction will offer high resistance. Junction will offer low resistance. So these are the two types of bias. Now in next topic we will study about the difference between the bias. Now dear parents, we are studying those chapters of physics which are important for the board examination. Now the long questions will be made by these chapters which we are going to study. And please don't worry about it that we will not study other chapter, but we will study all the chapters of the physics. In 8th class, we have studied 8th chapter of the physics, but the remaining chapter, first of all, we will complete those chapter and then we will come to the remaining chapter. And the priority is given to the important chapters of the physics. Okay, thank you.